Uy, hindi. Ipupost ko to ng Friday. Sana meron ako ma-vlog.
Hindi.
Yan.
All of your business.
Ang brown ng hair na dyan.
Unang araw ko lang siya na buhay ko.
Araw hala. Hi guys, it's day 2. Day 2? Day 2 ng klase. May pasok pa tayo kahapon. LSE na kami. LSE na kami. Hindi na kami LSEP. Miss ko na yung LSEP. Miss ko na si Gab. Wala na nga akong Grab, diba? Grab naman ako, diba? Shout out to Canada.
Ouch. That's mean, bro.
New owner. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Uy, ang ganda ng pagka. Ako na, lahat talaga kayo nagre-review. Parang doon ko ilalagay yung review. Tapos parang yan. Making changes. Guess what kung ano nangyari sa kanya?
Ang pagkakatang mo pa.
Diba? Bakit ko sasauluhin na may schedule naman ako? Episode 1, The Call of Kalaw. Hey Joshua, did you know that early explanations of life, like creationism, claim that all living things were created perfectly by a divine being?
Yeah, and Scala naturally organized everything in a hierarchy with humans at the top ladder of nature.
Dapat malago yung boss.
Ay, sorry naman.
Catastrophism was wild though. It said Earth's features were shaped by sudden disasters like flood or volcanic eruptions.
It explains why some fossils...
Wait lang, ayusin mo!
It explains why some fossils look different.
Uniformitarianism was a game changer. It explained that Earth's features were shaped slowly over time by ongoing processes.
Right. It gave scientists... It gave nga!
Okay.
It gave scientists the idea that the Earth is really old, not just a few thousand years, huh?
Lamarck thought traits, like giraffes' long necks, were acquired and passed down. But that's not quite right.
Quite right.
Quite right, sorry! Like nature, hindi.
Oh, you- ay.
Ito, yan. Ano mas naman dito?
Ito.
Sorry.
Yo, Darwin's natural
sorry,
selection
ha?
explained it better. Species evolve over generations by adapting to environment.
Like nature's own survival test. Only the best adapted traits take a route. Wow! What a nice!